Okay, so you're going to go to Canva and you're going to log in with Google, your CM Falcons account. Then you're going to come up to custom size, and the size you're going to use is 1280 by 720 pixels. And you'll click Create New Design. And you'll get this white canvas. We're going to put our lunch menu on it. So we're going to click Text and Add Heading. And you can copy and paste the lunch menu. So it says, put the lunch menu in the text box. Remember to spell everything correctly. Cut and paste from Google. Now, you can't leave that right in the center, or else the person will be standing in front of it. So we're going to scrunch it up and put it off to one side, or you could put it at the top. And then we're going to come over to Elements, and we're going to look for some images maybe that match our lunch. So we'll say it's taco. So you can put that off to one side, kind of make it smaller. Let's look for fruit. There's some fruit. You can pull it around. So you can see you can put all kinds of images in there. You just don't want it, covered up by the person that much. So then when you're done, you're going to click Share. And Share has you download it. So you're going to download and save it to your computer. Then when you find your, you can name it anything you want, lunch menu. I would name it something I could find. And then you're going to go to Google Classroom and turn it in. So add or create, you'll click add or create, and you're going to add a file. Click turn in, ask for help if you need it.